All right, my peoples, I'm happy to be here and I'm about to perform a maneuver using my professional camera drone. I do have a DJI Phantom 4 Pro. That's what I use. And a lot of you is going to ask me if did I go back to Swift. No, Swift wants me back. But no, it'll take me a while before I go back. They gave us off today at work. So then I was able to go to the terminal, get a truck, and then I'm going to drop this container at the rail yard, and it's located in New Jersey. So yeah, I'm using my professional camera drone to perform this maneuver. So I'm just gonna give you an idea on the top view. We're looking at like a helicopter view. From top down. Look it down. So right now, you see that spot right there between them two JB Hunt containers. That's where I'm gonna back in. So then I'm gonna go ahead and set my camera up and set up my. I'm gonna do my setup so you can get an idea on how I perform this maneuver. Okay, my peoples. So I'm just setting up right now. I'm gonna line up my drone, like be exactly right here is where I'm gonna leave my drone at. The drone is not gonna go nowhere because it's GPS locks. It locks in position, so it won't go nowhere. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to do this right now. First, I'm gonna start with the clock. Let's look at 12 o'clock. It's in front of you. 3 o'clock is towards your right. 9 o'clock is towards your left. 6 o'clock is behind you. Then in front of you, there's 3 containers, 3 trailers, 3 spots. I like to count 3. 1, 2, 3. When I make it to the third one, then I go straight to 3 o'clock. Try to go as far as you can on 3 o'clock. Further out, as much as you can. As much as you can. Then 12 o'clock. Then 12 o'clock. But you don't want to go too far out anyway. Keep looking at your mirrors, look back, and you want to pretty much stop right there. So then that's pretty much what you want to see when you're looking back there. You want to see some space like that. And then what I always start is open gap is towards the left. And then close gap towards the right. Open gap towards the left. Close gap towards the right. I like to play, I maneuver it, left and right, because you don't want to oversteer. If you oversteer, what it means is if you're locking on the left, it's going to continue to go left. So that's why you see me doing the movements, and then it looks like I'm hitting it, but I'm not hitting it. From my perspective view, you cannot see me hitting this container. So that's basically what it is. And you just have to practice, practice, practice is the key. And once you got it, man, trust me, you're going to be a pro, just like me. Okay, so right now I'm finished recording. I'm going to hurry up and try to fly back towards me before all these other trucks start coming in. Because once they start coming in, they won't even let you or give you a chance. So yeah, I'm just flying it towards me, and I'm going to catch my drone. Once I catch it, and then that'll be it. Okay, my peoples? So yeah, I had a little background noise. It's because these camera drones doesn't have a microphone. So I had my birds on the background chirping. So yeah, God bless you all. Thanks for watching. And be safe, my peoples. Later.